Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to get Torum in just a few simple steps using our updated platform. So let's roll. First, let's take a closer look at the Torum project. Torum is the first SocialFi Metaverse ecosystem that's specially designed for cryptocurrency users and projects. The Web 3.0 ecosystem is built on a social media platform at its core, integrated with a yield farming hub for DeFi players, an NFT marketplace for crypto artists, and avatar NFT for metaverse enthusiasts. Torum strives to become an open, safe, and interconnected entry point for crypto users to discuss crypto and get connected. Sounds cool, right? Torum is definitely worth your attention. Ready to get some XTM tokens? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the USENT section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select Torum in the UGET section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you will see the estimated amount of tokens you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. And then click on the exchange button to move into the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's Torum address. For your convenience, you can simply add here your MetaMask address or use our SimpleHold Lite wallet. Please note that only XTM BSC network withdrawals supported. Don't forget to double-check your address. Your XTM tokens will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is waiting. Here, you will see the address to send the indicated amount of Solana to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. After you sent the deposit, you can see that the status of your exchange is changed to confirming. Then, after you have received the deposit to your address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you Torum, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it! Your exchange is completed and you can see the indicated status as finished successfully. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is? In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using email, which you can find under this video. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.